Hey everyone, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your market analysis for May 29th, 2010. Okay, I'm looking at the SPY daily view. We got that relief rally that I mentioned last week. There's a very good chance we would get that relief rallies because prices were so far away from the moving averages that it was hitting that extreme level. So the likelihood of a snapback was very high, and we more or less got that. Now, ideally, I would want this market to at least touch this 20-day moving average. That would at least satisfy it for a decent pullback. But if this is a strong downtrend, it doesn't have to come back. It basically can start rolling over from this point here. Kind of like how when we had this strong uptrend, it never really came back and touched this 20-day moving average, not until towards the end. So we can more or less see the same thing if this is a really strong downtrend. Now going into an hourly view, you can see that we are more or less challenging this gap right here. Prices are still within this gap area. If there's any more bullishness left, if let's say we have one more push, I would aim for this top of this gap. That would put us around the 112 area. So that would still be a decent upside target. Now if let's say this is it, if this is if Friday was the last leg higher, then I would wait for some kind of confirmation, a break underneath Friday's low, to tell me that the correction is done and we're ready to start rolling over again. Okay, also putting on the Fibonacci retracements from the top of this leg until the bottom, you can see how we basically made a nice 50% correction already. So as far as price correction, we've managed to fulfill that already. And that's why I believe this could possibly be it as far as a relief rally. All we need is some kind of confirmation, some kind of bearish follow through on next week to give us a better idea that okay, it's finally done and it's ready to start rolling over again. But at the same time, don't be surprised if we get one more push, as I mentioned, towards this gap area and possibly even towards this 62%, which is around the 112.5 area.